Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a beautiful tray. I use resin and hardener and black color of glitter and also golden paper. First of all, I mixed golden paper in white resin, then remove all bubble. When then check you when remove all bubble and then make a powder add in resin. I mixed properly and remove all bubble. Almost 2 to 3 minutes mix up resin. When all bubble is removed, then stop. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it.